Hello everyone, my name is Yunus Emre Ekiz and I'm an electrical and electronics engineering student at Bilkent University. Today I'm going to show you my EEE212 microprocessor STERM project. In this project I designed a system for preventing the violation of accessible parking spaces with the help of a barrier. And how the system works is that when a car comes into the parking space, it is first detected by an ultrasonic sensor, and this process initiates a license plate recognition on my computer, which is fed by the frames captured by its camera. And for license plate recognition, I actually used a character recognition model which is called EasyOCR. And I conditioned the model to only look for the lower portion of the frames so that it wouldn't confuse with other license plates around. So as you can see, even though there's a license plate around the frame, it's not detected. And one other factor that I need to consider is that the model doesn't perform perfectly, so that I had to restrict it to detect the same license plate for 3 times consecutively in order to determine on a final license plate. A quick demonstration would be as follows. And as you can see, the model detected the plate correctly, which was 23KMF7 and 9, and it got the result. The detected license plate is then transmitted to the Freedom board via serial communication with the help of Arduino Mega. And there's a list of authorized license plates inside of the Freedom, which then be compared with the detected license plate. And there can be 3 different scenarios in the result of this comparison. First, the license plate can be authorized, which would open the barrier. Second, the license plate can be unauthorized, which would keep the barrier closed. And third, there can be no license plates detected by the model at all. And all 3 scenarios are indicated on the LCD as well as the LED. For the first scenario, we have an authorized license plate, which is 0638212, and it's included in the authorization list, as you can see here. So let's see what happens when we try to park this car. At first, the ultrasonic sensor initiates license plate recognition, and it happens accurately now. And it displays the license plate and says barrier is opening, allowing the car to park in. And the barrier opens as long as the ultrasonic sensor detects the car, and as the car leaves, the barrier closes, initiating the system once again. For the second scenario, I changed the license plate into an unauthorized license plate, which doesn't exist in the list, and it's 34ABC123. And when an unauthorized car tries to park in the space, it first initiates the plate recognition as the previous one, and once it's detected that the license plate doesn't exist in the list, the LCD asks for driver to leave the parking spot so that they wouldn't intrude. For the final scenario, there can be some environmental conditions that initiates plate detection, like the people around. And when the plate detection initiates, it has 20 seconds to find a license plate, whether it's authorized or not. After that 20 seconds pass, the system stops searching for a license plate, as you're about to see. So yeah, it indicates that no license plate is detected, and it stays in this position until the object leaves the ultrasonic sensor's range, and then system initiates again. In addition to all of that, I included a button for opening the barrier instantly in case of a system malfunction. And I put the button inside of the enclosure so that only the parking attendant can access it. And now we have a scenario that normally an authorized license plate is failed to be recognized and regarded as no license plate detected. In that case, once the button is pressed, system initiates this scenario and barrier opens so that the car can go in. And in that case, the process then continues as an authorized parking scenario. And that concludes everything I have to say. This was my project, and thank you for watching.